Hi, my name is Lynn, and I am a full-time stay-at-home mom and wife. Today I'm just doing some deep cleaning. As you can see, the spray bottle that I'm using is actually not Lysol, it's just the bottle that I reused. I actually make my own little concoction with bleach, Fabulosa, hot water, and I usually use it for everything. So right now, I'm just wiping down the counters, listening to my 1 year old scream and cry. He usually does that the whole entire time I'm trying to cook or clean. But anyway, this is pretty much a regular day for me. Lately, I haven't been posting a lot, and it's kind of ridiculous that I haven't been so consistent with anything. All I've been really doing is cooking and cleaning and cooking and cleaning and repeating that and taking care of my kids. I have 3 kids, actually, a 9 year old, a 1 year old, and unfortunate for me, I just had a baby pass away. So this is basically 250 pounds of depression that you're watching, struggling to clean the house while my 1 year old chases me around everywhere. So I usually try to do one room at a time, basically because if I don't do it that way, it will take me all day. I used to kind of like clean up everywhere because I start in one area and take something from one area to go put it where it goes and then clean up in that area, and it would take all day. So I usually do one room at a time at this point. But I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting lately. After I had Harvey, I had an emergency C-section with Harvey. And fortunate for me, I got pregnant again shortly after, but unfortunately, I had to get another C-section and the baby did not make it. Rest in peace to my son, Edwin. I really wish he was here. And so now I'm just gonna finish cleaning up the bathroom and then try to get my 1 year old in a hot bath and put him to sleep for a nap because he is really grinding my gears at this point. But from this day on, I hope to be more consistent with my videos and try to post more often. Have a good day, guys. Bye.